Alright, so
I.
You know it's a regular summer day and we are do road. You know how do road already. Now look who we have here, so. Bombard! I don't know him. Hakim. I don't know him. Talk about Rommel.
A lot of people don't know me, dog.
Talk about Flathead. I will put name Rommel have, you know.
I.
Hakim na back seat.
What's a lady? Please.
Hakim Refreda.
But she a idiot.
Aye.
What is the Velt TV?
The Velt TV. So I got us a boom. Cause you know it's a nice summer day and place.
Get some food.
I get some food. I buy some burger. I buy some sachets. You know them way there. I chew on pan the grill. No, say me are the jerk man already. I have to explain that.
Aye.
You understand? So we are gonna run the grill. Expect some more people, but who knows? Nigga audience say might pull up. But we see how that go. You know it's a regular thing. Wait feet.
I go straight, right?
So them when I tell direction, I keep the out of the big stoplight up here to the left. Up at the blue car. Aye.
Strictly, you don't need no GPS.
Where does that go?
Aye.
Turn left before you pass.
The big stoplight, eh? Aye. The BJ's both buy some burger and some sausage and run the grill. You understand? Anyway, regular thing. Please pack today. Okay. Please pack. That's not how really are going. Anyway, go with Hakim now. Hakim come like some old man who have pitney. Anyway, nigga, we have the hot dog. You know hot dog? The burger bun them. And some burger. We're not buying no sausage joke, Romel say.
Nah, we don't eat sausage, dog, isn't it? We don't lick off sausage.
Fire for them things. I chew him attack. So this, we just get the burger them and cut up, but this nigga Hakim he want to take up the whole day. Nigga Hakim have style now. I bought some bacon for put on it so.
Turkey bacon, dog.
Aye.
But the Wesley Farm one then.
See it, yeah?
That's a cheap one.
But this one, yeah? You say this is a cheap one, dog? Man say this is a cheap one. You eat that, dog? This is a turkey.
Dog, bacon and bacon. Why don't taste the same?
No, dog. No, you eat that.
You have one of them?
Yeah, get that one, dog. Just get
one of them.
We got everything, right? We have burger, the burger meat, bacon, and the burger bun. That's it. It's good. Cash out and cut out. You understand? The last man's can something pay now. The last man's can pay. Move this first. Oh yeah. The man them knows some I can't drive, right? And so them love the foolishness and them tell me say me must move the car right up on the spot the thing there. Where kid Hakim? I know some love the foolishness already. I don't really knew that. So watch this. A man like me, I buy some right now. Hakim, turn the music.
Hit that Raymond, dog.
I hit.
Aye.
Relax.
Take your time, my reverse bad man. How easy was that?
You know a man like me a long time I drove, a long time I ride guys. Anything I know really nothing.
How easy was that, dog?
I can really call him. So while me I cook them bread above here, wash them car. Come like a car wash them little bum back. Watch out. Romela wash him car, Kima wash him car.
Oh, wash up the right them. Got joke thing.
All we got are the patties for the burgers. Cause we thought there was sausages at the house, but there's not. So I guess everybody only about to be eating goddamn burgers cause nobody wanted to listen. But look, we got burgers and bacon. I have one question, right? How the hell do you cook bacon on a goddamn grill? Like, nobody explaining this type of thing to me. How do you cook bacon on a grill with burgers? I guess we about to figure it out. I put the bacons at the top part because I don't want them to get burned, so I didn't put them on the lower part. Just come and want to eat already.
Dog, me hungry, me just come off away. Chef Kelly.
Alright. Hakim, them not ready yet.
Bacon them ready, right?
Bacon ain't ready, but they think them not ready. The meat not ready. So we are going
to just give me that one they look ready, bro.
Hakim.
You're not ready.
You're not ready yet. But the chef work, bad man. The chef work, so them pretty and nice. One more time, run water. One more time, run water. Oh God.
Bro, I'm gonna eat for morning, son.
Feel like so should I get more food still? Cause food little bit, never expect that.
Yo, it's limited.
Yeah, food little bit. And if I wanna come and think to them I get food, but I don't really say a thing work. You understand? If you don't have money for chip in, you can't chip in. It's that simple. I'm already pick up and you understand? So what got right? It's a fucked up city on here. Don't know pretty on here. Hey, bad. Ramel. Back one, bro.
Clean dog, clean up. Burger, good dog. I chef that in the building, is it?
Hop him.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the next burger real quick.
Alright. Go and bring that back. Aye.
Wagwan dog, wagwan. What's good?
Nice.
The burger bad.
The stripes?
How much stripe man have now? One. 2.
Nah, bro, this shit great.
3. 4. 5. Enough food not even there for share for everybody. I mean I tell the man them to go buy some food and man them are going like say I me they want to spend money. You know what I mean and I me a cook. So alright, raw. One burger that tastes good. Alright.